Hi, welcome back at the Not Just Sawdust workshop. Well, outside the workshop, inside my van. I should have been doing more this weekend, but we had some scary times. So at the moment there are still a lot of planes flying around, trying to keep everything wet, because we had big bushfires this weekend and it's still burning on the other side of the river, and I'm afraid there's been a lot of damage and personal losses on the other side of the river in that village. In our village it stayed away. The wind was blowing for us, in a positive direction, but of course for the people on that side it really was horrible. The fire is out now next to our village, but like I said, on the other side of the river it's still going on. So there's still a lot of action with all the firemen and all the planes that are trying to, well, keep everybody safe. It's been some scary weekend, so we didn't sleep last night because we just went out on the balcony and looked, every 15 minutes on what was happening with the fires and things like that. But it's now Monday morning and it's like nothing happened, here in the village. Everybody's doing their own thing, and I'm going on with this van conversion. Now, I didn't film how I got the wiring in. That was a lot of work, and I didn't want to, make this video about me rambling on all the things that are happening. But yeah, that's how it is. So I'm going to try to make the lids on these boxes, finish that, and then I'll show you some details of what I've done with the electrics and the water, and yeah, then maybe start making the bed structure. Let's see what we can do today. started on the bed frame, and I used the old ones that were in the van. I got this wood a few years ago when we were in the Netherlands and we had to make a temporary bed. So I first had to get all the tar off because they come from a ship or something. But planed them all and they look good. But of course they are too flexible. You know, this wouldn't take two people. So I want to make like little T's. But these are the crates we want to have in. So I need to measure, it's going to be 3 centimeters. Then these crates can still go in, so let's make that. When you make a mess, you gotta clean it up. But I guess I'm gonna make some people who have chickens happy again. Because this stuff is of course really nice to put in a chicken coop. So I'm gonna clean up the mess and then I'll show you what I've done and how far I am. So, the workshop is cleaned up more or less. Some nice chicken coop stuff. And I've laid out on the table what I want to put in that little compartment I made for the van tools and things you need. And it's pretty much a complete table full that needs to go in that little compartment. So we're going to try out whether we actually can do that. So let's see. Well, all the tools that are going in, so it's the car jack and the emergency triangle, all that stuff goes in that little box, so that's good. The bed is in, and of course this bed is not easy to take out, and when we need to transport stuff in this van, the bed just goes out and it's an empty van. The reason why it's in two parts is not only because it's easier, you know, to store or to take out, but also because that side needs to be able to come up, so that when I need to get into these little compartments, that this with the mattress goes up and takes out the mattress also, so you can get to this apartment. The water is in. I filled it up with some foam so that the canister is really stuck in there, so that will work. And like I said, all the car tools that you need, start cable and all that kind of stuff is in here. Now this bed is made so it will fit two of those plastic holders, and if you stack them up they fit exactly underneath the bed, and we've got 4 of them, so it's for clothes and things like that, so that will work. So that's it for now, I guess. The bed frame done and the wheel arch box is done. Miriam is already cleaning up some of the panels to make them ready for putting some insulation on, and she's doing the roof also. So yeah, next time, I don't know, we're going a bit chaotic here from the things we built, but I don't know, we'll see. For now this is just a quick, well, not a quick, video's long enough, but update on how far we are. And in the next video we're probably going to do more electrics, but I think I'll show the electrics just completely at the end of the build, because I'm not an electrician and maybe you shouldn't do what I do, but I'll try to do what I find on YouTube. So that's it. See you all in the next video, part 9 or 10, or I don't know, at the logo. Oh, and I've got to cut off this bolt because now I can't close the door.